Hi, my haters, Judy here from Just8ate.com. And today I'm posting a totally different kind of video because I actually have plenty of video requests that are non-food related. But you know what? This is regarding Instagram. Do you have an Instagram? Comment down, let me know if you have an Instagram, and comment down below your Instagram name so I can follow you back. All right. Anyway, I have a friend. His name is Soth. I call him Chef Soth. Anyways, his channel name is Cooking My Way. He actually DM'd me and asked me to technically just ask, he just technically asked me to as how to post a picture. Simple thing as how to post a picture on Instagram and tag their friends. But anyways, this is a video long overdue, and so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to post a simple foodie picture and tag your friends. Let's hit the phone.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? Alright, so let's whip up my phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Anyway, so let's go ahead and look for the Instagram app here. Hit that, and it should be logging in right away to our Instagram. And so to post, and so, oh, Kitchen Queers made some pizza. I'm gonna like that real quick. Oh yeah, it's yummy. Okay. I know I always get distracted. Oh, look it. Soth made an awesome yumminess right here. I'm gonna write delicious. Delicious. Yay. Alright. Because, honey, this video is for you. Cooking my way. Alright. So, what you do... Oops. I got super excited. Oh, like that real quick. Where'd you go? This is, Fishing with Christina. Oh, nice picture. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to post a picture. So, all these buttons down here is your home. This is your search. Okay. And then this is your upload. Okay. Now, I'm going to select a picture. No, I'm not going to select that one. That's going to be on my personal one. But I'm thinking... Cooking with Corey. Oops, where'd it go? I'm going to post my Subway picture. If I can find it.
And we got tuna sandwich.
Okay, that's the one I want to post, okay?
We got tuna.
Alright. My bloggers community, somebody said something in there. Anyway, so I get notifications all the time. So sometimes you have to turn off your phone at night to sleep. Seriously. Anyway, so I want to post this one, right? And so we're going to hit next. Now, when you want to post a video, you want to have a different picture, right? Because whenever you post it, this is the image that it's going to land on. But if you press the filter, trim, if you want to trim the video, I'm going to trim a little bit. Okay. And then cover. Okay. I want it to land like right here. Right here. Okay. So when my picture is posted, the video won't necessarily start playing unless you click on it. So at first it looks like a picture, and then until you click on it, it's a video. So anyway, so that's the cover photo, and or in this case for Instagram, it's a thumbnail. Okay, for all my YouTubers out there, this is practically a thumbnail for Instagram for your video if you're posting a video in Instagram. Anyway, hit next. And then right here, it says tag people. That's when you want to tag your friends. So I'm going to tag Cooking My Way. Because this video is for you, bud. Okay? Because I'm thinking of you while I'm posting this picture. As well as I tag myself. And then my personal. One. And then this is a Subway picture, so I'm going to tag Subway. And be like, hey, I was at Subway. Right? So I'm going to pick Subway. And then who else? Anyway, I think that's good enough. Right? And then I think I'm going to pick one more. Subway. Another Subway. There's Subrail San Diego. Subway's Canada. Subway. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I found Subway Canada. And then I'm going to hit post. Write a little blurb like love Subway. And then if you want to add a location, you add a location. And then you hit share. And then it loads up and it's posted. Alright, my eaters, I'm hoping that this video was very helpful and informative because I'm all about expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my eaters. And yeah, definitely comment down below to let me know if you have any more Instagram requests or questions that I'm able to answer. Now, I would say that I'm pretty much an amateur. I'm not no expert on Instagram or anything, and this is not sponsored by Instagram, okay? Any way, shape, or form. But I'm just technically showing you how I use my foodie Instagram, and I just want to share the wealth, I guess, by sharing my, I don't know, whatever I do on Instagram. Anyway, so, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll see you in the next Instagram video if I keep going. So definitely comment down below and ask me a question, and or you give me a tip on how to do something on Instagram. Because I'm actually right now loving Instagram at the same time as loving YouTube. Alright? So, I'll see you in the next one.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my eaters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.